Hi guys, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is very exciting. I have just received a delivery of this amazing package. It's very exciting, it's like Christmas. I've just received the Maker 3, look at this. So it's kind of, it's just a box, not pretty, but I am basically doing my very first YouTube video, which is this, and I'm going to do an unboxing, just to show you the Maker 3, talk about the differences to the previous machines. If you're already using Cricut, then you probably already know and are a big massive geek like me, but if you're new to Cricut, I'm here to help you as best as I can, just to show you the new machine, because it's literally brand new. It was announced a couple of weeks ago by Cricut and it's already here in the UK, so this is exciting. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead, unbox it and do some more videos and pictures and show you. Hello again. So I was going to do like an unboxing video, but to be honest, I was too excited and I got it out of the box last night and I set it all up and didn't really want to put it back in the box and do like a fake unboxing, so I'm just gonna go from here really. So, oh my god, like, this is just an amazing machine. So basically, this is the Maker 3. Now, if you know Cricut and you've had a Cricut machine before, you know that the Maker is an ultimate, amazing flagship machine which cuts hundreds of materials, and I mean, it's industrial scale basically. It cuts fabric, thin pieces of balsa wood, cardboard, really thick cardboard, to delicate things like paper and crepe paper. So the Maker's been out for a couple of years, and even I've had mine for 2 years, and it's just over there staring at me, giving me evils. I've had that for nearly 2 years now, and it has been the most amazing machine I've ever owned. So when Cricut announced the Maker 3, I thought, well, how can you improve on such an amazing machine? Here we are, we have this amazing Maker 3. So basically, it is out of the box, and literally what is here is what you see here is what comes out of the box. You've got your power adapter, obviously important, need that. If you've got a Cricut Joy, it's quite similar to the Cricut Joy in terms of it's got this like box type plug, whereas previously it was just a normal plug. So quite similar to the Cricut Joy. You have your USB cable. Now what I did last night, because it wouldn't pick up Bluetooth, and I think when you get a brand new machine and you sign in with your Cricut account and it's asking you to register your new machine, always start with USB and it's done. Once you've done it once with USB, you don't need to do it again. It just means it updates it quickly, it's registered on your computer, and it registers the machine without worrying about all the Bluetooth problems. Once you've done that, I then very easily connected it by Bluetooth and it was worked a dream. So I did my first project and it blows my mind how fast this machine is. So basically, let me just go into detail about the Cricut Maker 3. So the Cricut Maker, like I say, is an amazing machine to this day. Like, I would happily use that any day, as well as this. The new machine that Cricut have announced is the Cricut Maker 3. Now this is revolutionary in terms of it's as powerful as the other Maker. It does exactly the same. It's got the same power. It cuts multiple materials, hundreds of materials, fabric, wood, thin piece of balsa wood, to your really delicate papers like really thin crepe paper, tracing paper, really thin cardstock to really thick cardstock to make amazing projects. Here's one I did the other day. This is actually corrugated card. Now I'd never ever known what to do with corrugated card, but I made this. This is on project. This is on Design Space as a project. It's called Geoball. Now I saw the project and I thought I'll just give it a try with the corrugated card, and I just use a scoring stylus as well. You can get a scoring tool and double scoring tool, but I've just used a scoring stylus which just goes into the pen slot and it just scores it. And as it was doing it, I thought, this is going to be too thick, it's not going to work. And look at it, the finish on corrugated card is it's lovely anyway. It's a lovely texture and it's quite strong as well, because I find all it is just fold, glue together, and it just sits nicely, so you can put little bits in. So I've been putting my little bits in there, and that's been on the side. So again, that's just one example of how thick the materials it cuts. So back to it, because this is so exciting. So this is the Maker 3, and this is a huge step up from the previous machines. Now, if you are a Cricut user, you know what I mean when it's a step up. So previous machines, you have a mat, you put your material on the mat and you load it and it cuts or draws or scores or embosses or debosses. With this machine, this is a matless. It's very similar to the first Maker, but it's matless. So what they've done with this is they've upgraded it, they've really enhanced it, and what they've done is allowed it to be a machine where you don't need to use a mat, which is a massive game changer. I'm just going to grab one of the sample materials. So basically, what's in the box as well is something I'm going to go through now. So what's in the box is they've now released smart materials. Now what smart materials are is very, very smart. It's basically, instead of having to load the mat, get the mat ready, put your materials on the right position, load it, cut it, pull it out, take it off the mat, those processes are gone, like gone, disappeared. To using the Maker 3, they've now released smart materials. And what smart materials are, they are your vinyl, your iron-on or HTV, your cardstock, which they've brought out like sticker cardstock, so it just load it, draw, cut, take it out, peel it, you've got a sticker within seconds. So the revolutionary machine that this is because it can now cut without a mat with these amazing smart materials. And there are already hundreds out there on the shops. So I got this Maker, and this is a bundle, so I've got lots of materials to play with. So I'm going to do some more videos of the projects I'm doing. Again, I'm very new to this video YouTube thing, so bear with me. So any comments below, please ask any questions and give me feedback, because you know I want to help you guys, because I just love Cricut and I love their machines. So yeah, the amazing thing about this is it can do what the other Maker can do. It can do all those things and use smart materials, which means you don't need a mat. You just load and you go, literally. So you get inside the box, you get your welcome pack, which is your warranty, your instructions. You get a little starter project, which is literally a small piece of vinyl like this. You load it, you print a sticker, you cut a sticker from vinyl, and the speed was so fast. So what I did is my starter project, I made this vinyl for my MacBook. Now I know this is back to front, but it says can't think straight. You know, it's Pride Month. I'm gonna just do something Pride related. So that's a vinyl on my MacBook, and that's removable, and that just looks so professional. And that cut in literally, I didn't even time it, but what, 20 seconds? So fast, because smart materials is in, fast cut, out. And the other amazing thing about the Cricut Maker 3 is the speed. Now the original Cricut Maker, it cut fast, it cut really well, great. But with smart materials, because there's no mat to worry about, the machine already knows the thickness of the material. So you choose a material, you just press go, and it is twice as fast as the original Maker because of the smart materials. So it's not having to worry about the thickness of the card and also the mat. It's just got smart materials in, and it has a really hard, strong backing as well, so it just knows the right pressure to cut, which is just incredible. So I'm going to open it up, and it's like any other machine. You open the lid and the bottom folds down, which is just that never gets boring, ever. Again, if you know Cricut, you know the machines, so you know how they are. If you're new to Cricut, this is an amazing machine if you want to start out, or even if you got the original Maker, you're getting a huge, massive premium cutting machine. Like when I say huge and massive, I mean like the possibilities are endless. So the machine opens up like this. You have your dock here, which you can, I haven't got it with me, but you've got an iPad in there, which I use my iPad Pro in here, and it fits perfect. So I can have a project going, it's on here, and it takes, I literally don't have a lot of space. So that's perfect for like space saving. You have your storage inside here, so you can put your little bits and bobs. Some of us crafters use it for sweets and chocolates. Shh, don't tell anyone. But yeah, that's a little secret compartment that no one needs to know about sometimes. So you have here, I'm going to try and just bring this a little bit just more to the machine. So here you have your two components. Now this is called the adaptive tool system. So the one on the left is for your pens, so it can draw and cut at the same time. It can be for the scoring stylus, so that's what I use to make my geoball. It just, you put your stylus in, it's like a pen, you put your stylus in and it just scores a card, and then this one on the right is for your cutting. Now you always get this with all machines, it's your fine point blade. So there you go, your fine point blade right in there. That's already with the machine, so that's ready to go. That's when you get your machine, it should always be in here ready, but if it's not, just check your box, and if it's not anywhere, then get in touch with Cricut, because it should be in the machine. So that's basically the essentials of the machine. Now I'm going to do another video after this. I'm just going to do a project and just show you the cutting, the loading. I'll try and show design space. I'm learning how to do the screen on screen thing. Again, I'm very new to video editing. I'm very new to recording myself. I've not done this before, and people are asking me all the time, Paul, why do you do more videos? We want to see more about Cricut. We want to see more about what you're making. We wanted to see you on video more. So here I am, starting out small and just seeing how I get on. So again, this is the Cricut Maker 3. Absolutely amazing machine. I can't wait, literally can't wait to get stuck in with this, with the smart materials, because they are just literally load it, cut it, and it's done. It's super, super, super fast. Any videos I will do, maybe after this one, is I won't even speed it up. I'll just leave it and just show you how quick it actually is. That's it for now. That's just to show you the brand new machine. Another thing as well is the previous machines had like different colours in terms of like the lid, whereas this is kind of it's just a one colour. You don't choose colours on this. This is like a really gorgeous baby blue. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's just a gorgeous colour. It's just so nice. And it's nice to not have them bring out multiple colours, because sometimes colour choices can be a bit overwhelming and you're kind of like, oh, which colour do I get? And you spend time thinking about it, whereas no, it's one colour, it's the Maker 3, you order it, you get it, simple. That's how I think anyway. I mean, a lot of people out there, are very colour specific, which is great. The Maker comes in, the original Maker comes in like a rose gold and a champagne, which is kind of like a goldy silver, weirdly. So yeah, it's your preference. So again, this is the Maker 3. Any questions, please pop below. Please pop any comment to the comment section. I will answer any question I can whilst I work on other videos. And please just like spread the word. I just want to get more people to see like what Cricut machines are about, what I'm about, my craft, my projects I want to share with you guys. I'm going to learn as I go, so I'm going to learn every time I do a video, learn how to show you design space and show you how I do a project from start to end. And the more I learn about these videos, the more I learn from you guys, and we can learn together. I hope this was good for you. I'm going to go now and get this set up, and then I'll catch up with you guys soon. Bye.